This is another title offered from Usborne, or Ubam. It's the Illustrated Elementary Math Dictionary. I would definitely recommend this. It has helped in our homeschool home. And
yeah, it's awesome.
Yes, Jezreel finds it awesome. Why do you like it, Jesse?
Because it actually gives you a visual picture. We're not having to do it all in your head. You can just look at the picture and it's kind of easier.
Yes, okay. So it does, if you look at the cover, it shows percentages, wholes, halves, quarters, your triangles.
And leapfrog.
Yes, skip counting.
Yeah, exactly.
So it goes into a lot, but it is a good title. We just got this not too long ago, but I even showed it to my aunts and uncles, and they're just like, those are really neat. So if you can see, it goes with counting, examples of numerals, different, that's Chinese, that's Hindu and Arabic, which that is Arabic because my kids are learning Arabic, and my kids are learning Latin, so they know that's the Roman numeral. But, and then it has the button, so they can visually, so they're seeing the number, and they can visually see 3 objects. This actually helped. When I was little, my mom used to make flashcards for us with dots or buttons like this to help us learn. So it's kind of nice to see it in books in a more visual, bright colored way. It even teaches about infinity. So it talks about number relationships. I'm going to try and skip a little bit into this book to get. It goes into laws of addition. And it goes into order, grouping. Okay? It does go into grouping, order of operations. And then later on in the book, as you can see, it has this bright times table throughout. So you get the times table. And it teaches them the trick for nines. So,
I love that trick.
Yes, Jesse loved that trick. So this is a cool little way to do it on your hands. And we learned that also through some video. But we didn't learn that when I was a kid, so it was kind of neat to get to learn it while I'm teaching them. But it goes into even larger numbers. It does go into percentages and some money, and even into beginning algebra. So this is definitely a book I would recommend for those in elementary math. Now we have also got the Illustrated Dictionary of Math. This is for a little older. This would be after they completed that Illustrated Elementary Math Dictionary. Ezekiel loves this.
Ezekiel, you can try this.
No, it's Jesse. He's doing this one. So it has the cubes. It goes into numbers cubed. It goes. The Chinese Pascal triangle.
What's that?
You're still too young to go on it. But it goes into the negative numbers and positive numbers. So, and this is the part that I'm intrigued about, is the vectors unit. So I'm kind of glad I got opened right to this. Because we're going to be going into graphing. So this is going to be great. Because with geometry and stuff that the kids are tackling. So, this book, definitely, I would recommend. It gives the different angles, other obstructions. The other one briefly goes into obtuse, triangles, come back in all of that. But this one goes more into greater detail because it's, as I said, for older children. So symmetry, transformation, triangle. See, and this one goes and gives the brief definition. So, right angle, and then congruent shapes. So, I just think this is good for your more advanced math or upper math. And as you can see, it does tackle measurements in both the US and the metric, which is kind of good. So, definitely a book I would check out. It is this flex. It's not like a paper. It's kind of a nice polyflex thing, binder. So, it's not one that your kids can easily tear. They'd really have to be working at it. But those are the illustrated math dictionaries that we have. There is one more that we did not get because my kids are older for it, and that is the preschool one, and it's got a...
It's actually kindergarten.
Kindergarten, okay. It's the kindergarten, and it's actually got a yellow cover. And you can get this in a combined volume, which you will see what a combined volume looks like on my next video when I go over some science. But thank you, and check out these awesome math books. I think you'll really enjoy them, and they hopefully will be a help for your family in your home like ours is. Thank you.
Goodbye.